Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing high frequency forex strategy, right? High frequency trading is often called HFT. Okay, it's a type of trading that uses powerful computers and algorithms to execute trades at extremely high speeds, sometimes in milliseconds, right? So these systems are designed to take advantage of very small price differences in the market. Instead of holding trades for minutes or hours, HFT, that's the high frequency trading, HFT systems may open and close positions almost instantly. Now, this type of trading is mostly used by large institutions, hedge funds, and firms with access to advanced technology, right? They use complex algorithms, fast data feeds, and even place their servers close to exchange systems to reduce delay. For retail traders, this kind of speed and infrastructure is not accessible, right? But it is still important to understand how HFT affects the market. So now, because of HFT, markets can move very quickly, all right? And liquidity can appear and disappear in seconds. Okay, so this is one reason why you might see sudden spikes, right? It's one reason why you might see sudden spikes or fast movements without major news, right? Some traders also believe that HFT contributes to tighter spreads in normal conditions, but it can also increase volatility during certain times, during uncertain times, right? So the key takeaway is that you don't compete with high frequency traders, you adapt to the environment that they help create. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.